Welcome back. I've gone ahead and applied my peel base. I'm going to be doing a springtime mani for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and pour this into one of my own jars just so it's easier to use. This one is called Lilac You More, just this really pretty purpley shimmer. So this one is Spring Glow-quet. It does glow and it's this really pretty pink base with real flowers in it. This one is Fairy Wings. It's really hard to pick up on the camera, but the shimmer in this is fantastic. Just wait till you see. So for my middle finger, I'm only going to apply the base coat on half of the nail for now. So when I dip into the Spring Glow-quet, it doesn't really pick up any of the flowers in it, but that's okay because it creates a nice base layer, and then you can go in and hand place the flowers where you want it. So I didn't film myself doing it, but here in a second you'll see where I did hand place some of the flowers on my ring finger. So after the first layer of encapsulating the nails with the flowers, I noticed that it could have used a second layer, so I did go in and encapsulate these 2 fingers a second time. So after I'm done activating all of my nails, I'm just going to apply a little bit more to the nails with the flowers on them so that I can use this plastic baggie to just kind of help press them down and lay it as flat as I can. I've never used a dip powder with real flowers in it, and I thought it was going to be a bit challenging, but honestly it was actually really easy. So the cool thing about a spring glow-quet is that it will glow after being charged with UV light, but when you're not in the dark, the pink base will also turn a light purple from the UV exposure. And let's talk about the shimmer from Fairy Wings. I don't think I own any dip powder that looks like this one. It is easily one of my new favorites. I want a bucket of it. If you head over to my Instagram, you'll see the pictures I took along with the glow that it creates. And as always, everything I use will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.